are we feeling today? Do you feel anxious, depressed, excited, bored? How do you feel? How do you feel? Happy? Are you sad? Are you excited? Are you depressed? Are you overwhelmed? Do you feel scared? Now, as the title of the video suggests, I'm going to show you how to make a protection bracelet. So why do people wear protection bracelets? Look at the world that we are living in at the moment. Look what's going on around us. So people wear protective bracelets for lots of different reasons. It can be cultural, spiritual, psychological. So let's start with protection from negative energy. So many traditions, Hindu, Buddhist, Christian, indigenous, they use bracelets with beads and stones or charms to ward off negative energy. Lots of us have heard of the evil eye. They're often worn as talismans to attract positive energy, prosperity or health, connection to a faith or culture. Wearing a protection bracelet can be a reminder of one's belief, heritage or spiritual practices. With mental health, they can be good for a mindfulness tool, and touching or looking at the bracelet can serve as a reminder to stay grounded, calm or grateful. Some people, by wearing their bracelet daily, it becomes an anchor and they feel that it gives them courage, healing or strength. And obviously as a gift, we make jewelry on here. People will gift protection bracelets as a way of expressing love, safety and support. So today I'm going to make a protection bracelet, and I've chosen 4 different beads, which I'll show you now. What's the harm in having extra support in what we do to complement existing medication, ways of life? So let me show you how I'm going to make this bracelet. So these are the beads that I'm going to be using. I've got tiger's eye, I've got amethyst, black obsidian and smoky quartz, and these are 8mm. I've got a ruler, scissors, and I'm using some 0.6 elastic. So let's have a closer look at these beads. Now, amethyst, known for its calming and purifying properties, amethyst is thought to protect against psychic attacks and negative energy, promoting spiritual clarity and well-being. So we've gone for, that's why I've gone for amethyst. We've got some smoky quartz. Now this stone is believed to transmute negative energy into positive energy, providing grounding and emotional stability. Obsidian, I love obsidian. So obsidian is thought to be a powerful cleanser, absorbing negative energy and providing protection against psychic attacks and emotional manipulation. And lastly, we have tiger's eye. This stone is believed to balance energies and provide protection against negative influences, whilst also enhancing courage and confidence. Now I do have a website, lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, and there you'll find jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. I do currently have a 10% offer of a £10 spend. So we measure 12 inches of elastic. And we're going to give this a really good stretch. So we've given that a really good stretch, and I'm going to pop a bead clip or stationary clip on the end. So let's start with tiger's eye. It's a beautiful stone. Obsidian, smoky quartz, amethyst, so that's the beads, and then I'm going to add obsidian to the end. I have more obsidian in this bracelet. So again, tiger's eye, Obsidian, Smokey Quartz, Amethyst, and an Obsidian. This bracelet will be available to buy afterwards. I'll put it on the website. Thank you to everyone who has placed orders on the website. I really do appreciate all of your orders. Thank you so much for keeping me busy. I think that's a beautiful colour combination to have. So the bracelet is, so this is just over 7 inches. I've had to do that to get the combination of beads that I wanted, but that will fit a standard, slightly larger wrist. So for tie-in, we are going to do a surgeon's knot. And for that, I will put an image above for you. So we do a simple overhand knot, pull that together. Then we do the same again, but instead of just going once, we're going to go under twice. Pull. And then we're going to do 1 for luck. So we're going to snip off the excess. It's entirely up to you. If you want to put a dab of glue, I'm going to pull and hide. Now I've hidden the knot in the bracelet, but that is our protection bracelet featuring Obsidian, Amethyst, Tiger's Eye and Smokey Quartz. So I do hope you find that tutorial useful. If you haven't already, please hit that like button, and if you can leave a comment down below, it just helps the YouTube algorithm see the interaction and it shares my video out to more people. I can reach more of you lovely people and teach you how to make jewellery. Please do check out the website as well. As I say, I've got a 10% offer on. And I do cater for those new to making jewellery. You can buy beads singly, which is like great for if you want to make something like this. So thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting.